Welcome back to another episode of Blazer Reviews. We are in Dubai and today we're reviewing a Mercedes C63s AMG 2025 model. Let's go. AMG C63s. Look, I gotta admit, I'm a bit overwhelmed. Like any other Mercedes, there's buttons everywhere. We have a massive screen. The ambient lighting makes you feel special. You got a mad AMG steering wheel with the flat bottom, paddle shifters. We've got these nice little dials. Pretty sure that they do your driving mode. We're gonna turn it on, and what it does is it actually goes into electric first. So right now the car's on, but it's just electric. Turn this dial and it goes into sports mode. So you got sports mode, sports plus, dynamic, electric, fully electric, and you can go hybrid, which mixes the two together. There's a lot going on. Although it's not a V8, it does sound good. So let's just get straight into it. Seatbelts on. I love the red AMG seatbelts. It pushes you back. All your seat dials are here next to you. Got your power windows. Everything's touch. Not many dials happening. It's a lot of touch. Okay, we're just gonna go into drive, and the handbrake's down. Let's get straight into it. We've got head display. See that come up straight away. It feels special. It feels like an AMG. It feels stiff. It feels like it just wants to go. You're tucked into your seat. What can I say? These are actually really buckety seats. Ooh, there's downshift. It's not as loud as the V8, but I gotta admit, it sounds really good. It feels really smooth. Not sure where these straight takes are, but we'll go for a little spin in the straight. So far it feels amazing. It feels nice and smooth and it really gets going. I want a roundabout here, you've got a dead end. Being in Dubai, we don't know where we're going. It feels so good already. Although it doesn't have the V8, it has a 2-litre turbocharged engine with electric motors. Pushing it. It still goes. Probably doesn't need a V8. Not a big fan of electric motors, but starting to like them, considering this is not fully electric. So for first impressions, I've got to admit, it's a lot easier than the other cars to drive. It feels good, it feels nice, it's fast, it handles well, it's stiff, it's very responsive. I actually really like this car. Listen to those downshifts. It's like an orchestra. I actually like the way it sounds, although it doesn't have that aggressive V8 sound. Surprisingly sounds really nice. So it doesn't sound like a 2-litre 4-cylinder. It actually sounds like a V6. A 2-litre 4-cylinder engine. So they went V8, then they went V8 bi-turbo, and now a 4-cylinder with electric motors. I don't know, I think that's gonna annoy a lot of people, but honestly, I can't really fault it. It's good on fuel. You put it in electric mode and the thing just drives. Can't really say much, but I'm really liking the AMG and I really don't mind that it's got electric motors. I would not like it if it was just fully electric. So to Mercedes, don't even think about going fully electric. We can accept that you went 4-cylinder turbo, but don't go full electric. So that's pretty much first impressions. Let's take it over to the looks video. So you guys just watched the first impressions video. It's time for the looks. The AMG, although it doesn't have the V8 engine and it's gone all electric and a bit soft, it still looks aggressive. It's wide, it's fat, it still looks like an AMG. With the iconic Mercedes AMG grille, got the AMG badge, a beautiful bottom lip, it still looks fat, it still looks mean, like an AMG should. With 20-inch rims, massive cross-drilled brakes, AMG doesn't spare when it comes to performance. Blacked out lips, panoramic sunroof, and when you go to the rear end, it still has that race feel. It's got the spoiler, quad tip exhaust, the AMG badges, the C63s with the red. You can't go wrong. It just looks nice. Let's talk interior. It screams luxury, it screams tech, and it screams performance. It's got the signature flat bottom steering wheel AMG. It's got paddle shifters. You got your drive mode here as a dial, which is pretty cool. We have a massive 11.9-inch screen that has all your functions and everything is built into this screen. This beautiful center console with the ambient lighting. I actually really like how this center console has 2 doors to it. You don't have to annoy that passenger or the passenger annoy you when they're taking something out. You've got USB ports here, USB ports in here. I'll tell you one thing, AMG didn't leave anything behind when it comes to interior. And we also have this beautiful sunroof. If you look at that. All the buttons feel amazing. It feels like you're in the future. Like they almost feel like they're touch, but they're actually buttons. This is amazing. You got these electric heated and cooling seats. It's bucket seats, AMG. You got your carbon fiber features. Got the ambient lighting. Rear seats. This is probably one of the nicest rear seats I've sat in. You got plenty of headroom, plenty of leg room. You have AC for both the passengers in the back. I love these red seat belts, and this does have the shades, and that's pretty handy. You got all these little features like this light here. Like who needs a light up there? But it's an AMG. You got beautiful speakers. It's just beautiful. It's German. You can't really fault it. It just feels special. You feel like you're in the future. You got your beautiful leather. It just feels like luxury and performance. So the rear seat is definitely a tick. You can't falter when it comes to interior. You know, the Germans, they just do it so well. Let's talk performance. When it comes to performance, this might disappoint some of you. It's not a V8. It's got a 2-litre turbo with electric motors powering up to produce 670 horsepower. So although it's not a V8, it still means performance and it's not to mess with. 0 to 100 in 3.3 seconds. C63s AMG, 0 to 100. Let's do it. Wow, that's quick. Wow, that goes. That mixture of electric and engine, it's just different. I gotta admit, that actually went really well. I was surprised. I didn't think it was gonna go that hard. So 0 to 100, 3 seconds, but that was fun. That was actually fast. This thing's a weapon. So when it comes to first impressions, we're gonna give it a 4.5 out of 5. I was a bit overwhelmed. And then when it comes to the looks, I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5. It's still fat, it's mean, it just works. And then for interior, I'm gonna give it a 5. I'm gonna give the interior a 5 because I really like it. I can't actually fault it. So I'm gonna go for a 5 for interior. And for performance, surprisingly enough, it's not a V8, but this thing goes. I'm not a big fan of electric stuff, but I think I'm starting to turn. It is a hybrid, it's not just fully electric. We have a 19 out of 20. I think it deserves it. 19 out of 20 for the 2025 Mercedes C63s AMG. Thanks for watching another Blazer Reviews. Please like and subscribe and follow. Send it to your friends. And I hope you guys are enjoying this Dubai series. And I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. Thanks for watching. I would like to thank Ahmed from Luxury Supercar Rentals He's a wonderful man and he's helped us a lot with getting these cars. If you need a rental, hit up Ahmed. The guy's a gentleman and I really recommend their vehicles. They got probably the highest premium cars that you can find in Dubai, and it's been amazing. Thanks for watching. I look forward to coming here again and doing more reviews. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and follow our channel so we can get you more content like this. Catch you later.